if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're oldie but still goodie, welcome back. It's your girl Everything Key, aka Kiana, and if you hear music in the background, my neighbors are playing music really loud, so I do apologize for that. But we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. I'm bringing you a wig review. This is for Sensational. This is their Shear Muse 100% premium fiber lace front wig. This is in the neon pink, and this is Lanchin, if that's how you pronounce it. But this is a stock card. This is how it came packaged. So we're gonna go ahead and unravel this and see what's going on with the what's on. So when you unravel it, you're just taking this out of the little packet right here. I'm gonna pull some of the hair out. Okay, a long unit. This is how she is looking. It gets thinner the more you go down it. Take the little stocking cap off of it here. So this is this hot pink for you. I don't know about this color. We gonna see. We gonna see. But this is the parting space right there, and this is the hair. This is nothing but pure, like, silky type of hair. There's no yucky in here at all. But this is how long it is. Has baby hairs in the front for you. The cap construction has 2 combs in the front. It has a comb in the back with the adjustable straps and this little stocking type of situation. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to cut the lace off of here. And then after I cut the lace off, I'm just going to show you how it looks before I do anything else to it. But let me go ahead and go off camera and cut the lace off, and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back, and here is the lace. I just cut that part off. So we're going to go ahead and put this on and see how it is before I do anything to it. And take this one off. And if you want to know anything about the one that I was just wearing, I'll go ahead and link the video down below for you. So now I'm just cutting off the little cord that comes on the unit. And I'm strapping the little straps on the back because it wasn't strapped on there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put the unit on now. Okay. So as soon as I put the unit on, it doesn't necessarily feel tight, but there is not a lot of room in here, and my hair is in 4 little plaits, little pigtails, so it's not braided to the back. So there could be a reason why, you know, it feels kind of tighter than it should. But the baby hairs are still sticking out. This is how the unit is looking. It says it's ear to ear. Well, it's not fitting on me, but it kind of stops right here, and the other side kind of stops right here, but it's not like fully covering. It's like a little bit of hair still sticking out, but for the most part, I guess it's ear to ear. I would never like wear this unit up, so that doesn't matter to me. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and put some makeup in the part. I'm gonna style it, and I'm gonna try to do the baby hairs, but probably not because I'm not really a baby hair person. But I'm gonna go ahead and do some styling, and I'll be back just to tell you about everything. so let's just get into the video, and let me just tell you about the stock card. So this is the Lachin, whatever, and it's in the neon pink. It looks like this, super cute. I didn't do no baby hairs, but her baby hair is cute. I just didn't feel it necessary, but they back there, they up in there. You know, if you want to go ahead and baby hair your life away, you can go ahead. But yes, this is what the stock card is looking like, and you know it comes in a plethora of colors for you. And if you get blonde, like a 613, you can go ahead and color it all of these colors, but it comes in a plethora of colors. So again, this is how it looks. It says that it's ear to ear. Y'all already saw it didn't quite reach my ear, but it was almost there. And it has the baby hairs. You all saw that. Let's talk about the pros and the cons. So some cons is that it sheds. Every time I touch it, a piece of hair comes off. So that is like whack and sucky to me, but I don't care about a wig shedding. I'm just gonna roll that little hair up and we're gonna keep it moving, because I didn't pay a lot for it. So we just gonna keep it moving with the little shedding. And this has no yucky. Like I said before, this is all just silky hair. Now again, I was saying it's not as flat as you can see because I have plaits in my hair, pigtails. I don't have straight braids to the back. Usually I do, but I was being lazy, so your homegirl just put 4 little pigtails in her head, so she got a little lumpage going on. But y'all, when y'all like braid y'all hair to the back, it's gonna be fire. I went in with the hot comb to try to flatten it. Let me see other bad stuff. Nothing else really bad about this wig is that it just sheds. That's the only bad thing about it, and whatever. Let's get into the pros. The color is rich, it's cute. If you into just being popping out with that color, if that's your thing, girl, sis, this is for you, baby, honey. What is you saying? This is for you. If you just love feeling like a Barbie doll, like a princess, this is for you. I think this looks okay on me. I think if my eyebrows were like pink or something like that, it'll be fire, like bomb.com, but it's okay. I will wear this out. I don't have a problem wearing this out. Look, y'all already know what it is. Like, I'm the type of person, I'm gonna wear a wig. Yeah, y'all gonna know it's a wig half the time, but I'm wearing it because I don't want to do my hair, or it's just what it is. I want to wear a wig because I was being lazy, but you know what I'm saying? Sometimes I don't want y'all to know what's going on. Y'all just need to mind y'all business. But some of these brighter colors, yeah, you know. But I like the porting space is super long. I just put some makeup in there and it looks fine. Like, in my opinion, I love the density of the hair. Is not too thick. Like, if you want to wear this to some little summer little thing, you can go ahead and do so. It's not thick at all. Super light hair, not a lot of hair. Super cool. Let me see what else. Other than like the color cute, I wish it had a little yucky, but it doesn't. Let me see if I can show y'all like where it stops it. Okay, so this hair stops about right here to me, and then let me show y'all what it looks like, how it's looking in the back. If you can see that, okay, you can. This is how it's looking. I don't know if it's combed down, obviously later, but this is how it's looking in the back. Something for you to throw on when you just want to be chilling, like you just trying to be cute. You going to a little party or something and you want to be cute. This all of it to the front, super simple. I like this. I'm gonna be wearing this out. What is you saying? But yeah, I don't really have too much more to say. This is a cute little unit if you're into the color. If you're not into the color, you still can try this out. Like, it's a wig. Since you don't like it, take it off. But yeah, so this is all I really have. I ain't gonna try to keep y'all long. But if you have any questions, put them down below. I'll put the price down below because I bought this like a while ago. So I'm not sure how much it was, but I'll get that for you. But yeah, this pretty little cute little unit for the Barbies out there. Hey, Barbie world. Hey. But yeah, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to visit me on Instagram at Musics44. Until next time, on my key bees and key dogs out there. Peace.